Do you have a landscape video that you want to turn into a vertical video? Wondershare FilmoraGo makes it super easy to do. Hey friends, my name is Mandl, and in this video, I'm going to teach you about resizing your videos for different social media platforms. We're going to use Wondershare FilmoraGo to help you create videos anywhere, on the go. Let's get into it. First, we need to import our footage into FilmoraGo. You can see that my video is landscape, but I want to make it vertical. Let's scroll over to Canvas. Now, click on Format. You can see you have lots of options here, so you're just going to pick the one that you want to use. Let's pick 9:16. At first, it looks like it just made the video smaller, but let's make it easier for us to see what's going on. We are going to change the background by clicking on Background. Now let's click on Color and then pick a color. Now you can see that the video is 9:16. We just need to resize the footage. We can also reposition it as needed. If we go back to Canvas, you can see that there are a lot of options to choose from. It's up to you to resize and reposition it how you like. Keep in mind that the resized video is limited to what the original video looked like and the quality of the footage when you shot it. If your video doesn't fit nicely, then you can fill the screen with what you can and then leave some of the background showing. Just pick a color or upload an image that you like. I hope you found that helpful, and let us know in the comments what you would like to learn how to do in Wondershare FilmoraGo. See you next time.